What's up, everybody? This is CJ here with the Soul Broker BK. Today we got an early pair of the JBalvin Jordan 1, and we're just gonna do a quick review for you guys, so stay tuned and enjoy this. All right, guys, so we're gonna do this unboxing of the JBalvins. We got a brand new size 8.5 here. Tape is very nice, the box is very nice. It's a good pair. If you come up close, you can see the fabrics on the toe box. Very denim or canvas-like. You have the fluorescent pink, almost white, off-white looking for the midsole. You have your royal colors going throughout the whole entire shoe. All different color laces, pink, white, green. Comes with 6 different buttons for you to put on the sides of the shoe. They're removable. All right. So as you can see, we got a nice pair here. If you come to the Soul Broker BK now, Brooklyn, New York, Williamsburg, 11249, 147 Grand Street. This can be yours, size 8.5. Brand new JBalvin Jordan 1. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the review of the JBalvin Jordan 1. And we will be seeing you guys again. Come see us every day, 12 to 8. Buy, sell, trade, guys. Enjoy.